meow, 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 meow. Versus, this is the biggest challenge ever, and it will be always unforgetting. It will be in heaven. This cat versus this man. You know what? This guy's going in the garbage can.
He found
Meow,
it. Top
meow,
fridge.
meow, 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 meow.
What kind of condition is your room in? When
Meow.
you go upstairs?
Get ready for the evil daddy. Get ready for the big evil daddy. The big daddy. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, folks. SmackDown versus Raw
You got-
tonight. This
You've
cat
got
was
exactly 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then it's shower time.
I already took one. Dad, do you remember? Look, he's gonna attack. He's gonna attack. Boom, boom. Oh, everybody. Oh, oh, oh. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this fight is over now. It's done.
Tomorrow night.
Dad, what you got to say about this fight?
Wow.
Whoa.